Hey yo, what's up everybody? My name is Brim Rockster and me and Kevin are playing Ultimate Night.
Okay, now give me some.
Yes, it's a 3-player map. I'll take one, take in this, this. Alright, who takes the bow? You take the bow. I think you're the archer now.
Oh wait, the compass. I'll take the archer. Who takes the clock? Me.
Of course, why not?
Let's
No, we must
split.
take.
Here, all of it's yours.
Wait, I already have a stake. Come on, let's go. Let's go out, my bro.
Oh, we didn't read the signs.
What? Oh, right. These are the rules. Damn it. I hate rules.
Welcome to Ultimate.
Wait. Let me read. Let me read. Or let me kill you.
Okay.
Let me read.
Okay.
Welcome to Ultimate Night, the best map yet. In this map, MC Manny will bring you to the best parkour adventure map free roam experience. Please note that the most parkour will be auto jump, also like on my channel, MC Manny. This map is multiplayer compatible due to minimal use of chunk editing and block rendering, so have fun. God damn it! What's wrong with you?
Don't.
Rules. Do not use mods. Play on NRML mode, not PCFLL. No breaking of blocks unless told to. No taking items from
What
NPC
if
quest
they
with
are
APO.
mode not peaceful?
If creepers break blocks, do not pick them up. Absolutely have lots of fun story.
Okay, I have mods.
Okay.
Let's go.
You have just woke up from a nightmare about creepers. That face. You realize that being
have
a
a mod?
peasant makes you weak. You do not like this realization. You decide to rise through the ranks of knighthood and all the. Come on, let's go. I hate stories. This story makes me sick like shit.
Do you have a
Chapter
mod?
1, a journey begins.
Do you
I
have
said
a
I
mod?
don't know. I don't have mods. Why?
Why are you so
You want to be
fast?
killed?
Why are you so fast?
Cause I'm lagging. Sorry, it's so long. Remember, no chunks edits. Hey, no mods. I can hear you typing. Level 1, parkour. Ah, wow.